Hey peeps, it's LaVeeda from What Can't LaVeeda Do. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own disinfectant spray. In light of what's going on today, which is the coronavirus, and products flying off the shelves, we're at a time where we need to know how to make some of these things on our own, you know, without killing ourselves trying to be chemists. But anyway, I don't think we're going to kill ourselves with this recipe, but I think we can get by with what we're about to make today. And you only need about 4 ingredients. 5. You'll need, of course, an empty spray bottle. You'll need some type of essential oil. And today I'm using clove, because I love the smell of clove. But you can use peppermint, tea tree oil, lemon oil, whatever scent you like you can use. Vodka, and if you don't have vodka, you can use alcohol. And vinegar. Vinegar, I got this from the Dollar Tree. This was only $2.50-something from the liquor store. This clove I got from GNC. I can't remember how much this was, but the essential oils are a little pricey, but it's worth the cost. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to need, and we need water, duh. Okay, I'm back with my water. You're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of water. Let me get my funnel. And that was my measuring cup. I'm always dropping something in my videos. Okay, 1 1/4 cup of water. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of vinegar. And this is a 1/4 cup measuring cup here. You're going to need 1/4 cup of vodka or alcohol, whichever you have on hand. I don't drink, so I don't mind using alcohol as cleaners. Last but not least, and we can remove the funnel, your favorite essential oil. I'm going to use about 25 drops. That's 10, 20, 25. And the only thing I smell in here is that clove. You don't smell that vinegar. Vodka doesn't have a smell at all. And of course, water doesn't have a scent. Just want to make sure you're paying attention. Let's give it a little spray. Oh yeah, I like that. And all I smell is the clove. Oh, that's great. And that's it, people. That is it. So again, vodka, vinegar, some type of essential oil, and water. That's all you need. And of course, a spray bottle. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, or whether you didn't like it, please hit the like button. Please share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on that bell. I think it's over there in that corner, so that when I post my new videos, you'll be alerted. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. See you in my next video.